So we got a call for a Toyota Tacoma. Front right tire is way down in the ditch. Left rear tire is about 1.5 feet up in the air. And yep, we do that.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe.
Well, we made it to the Tacoma. As you can see, it's a little bit in the air. We're just gonna wrap around the frame here, and I don't like how close it is to that. Wrap around the frame. That way, I'm pulling this way.
Yeah, 2-wheel drive all the way up here.
Maybe. We'll see.
Just broke a stick. Oh, hold up, hold up, hold up. You're stabbing your radiator or condenser. You just, what is that?
I'm worried about the condenser. The
Yeah.
radio don't work.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you broke the grill too.
Did I?
Yeah.
I'm not worried about it.
Yeah. You dented that. You pushed that thing in.
Yeah. It's nice that there's a cross member right here.
Yeah, but
Oh,
the
I
soft
love
shackle
this.
gonna be long enough.
I really dislike these soft shackles. Badlands love your products. Don't like your soft shackles. Crossover. Mainly, I just want to make sure that it doesn't
Tip over to the other side.
slide into that ditch. Back end. grab that?
Now we're good.
Perfect.
Yeah, we're well off the hole.
Yeah. That's a deep hole.
So, Jeep's back on the trailer. Another satisfied customer. He didn't really want to be too much on camera. That's why you saw that big blue towel on the license plate. Just came out to have some fun with the kids, go off-road, and happened to need us because he got himself in a predicament that he wasn't able to get out of. Like always, thank you for watching. We appreciate everybody that does. Please like, subscribe, and share. And y'all have a wonderful evening.
Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
So hey, how you doing? Welcome back. I found out while I was doing nighttime recoveries and during the winter that I needed extra lighting, and I definitely needed some extra lighting. Plus I've been having problems with my headlights even coming on, so I was using a flashlight mounted to a flashlight holder to the front of the winch mount, and that was my headlights. Yeah, that doesn't really work for me. So I got some bought some brackets, and then I went and bought light bar. Came with 2 pods and another little small light that's about that big. That's what we're doing today. We're installing light bars. Thinking when they made these that you might possibly need to replace your windshield at any time, because that leans out and over in front of your freaking windshield that holds your light bar, and it comes with rivets instead of like bolts to put them on and take them off. So that's entertaining. I'm gonna have to make it so that it's removable to be able to kind of mismatch the pieces together. Bought these ones off of KSL here in Utah, and the brackets for the light bar are from Rough Country through Quadra something. It's got all the wiring. It has instructions, but they're pretty how do I say this politely? They're pretty generic and lame. They're not the best instructions. They're kind of terrible, actually. But I mean, it's car electrical wiring. How hard could it be? 12 volts, positive, negative. Alright, so according to the instructions, all you need is rivet gun, 3/16 drill bit drill, and a ruler or tape measure. But that is not going to get any electrical connections done. That is not going to get the hole that you're going to drill. Oh, that's awesome. My punch is broken. It'll still work. It'll just have to work as a normal punch, not a push punch. Anyway, something to mark where you're going to drill your holes. Center punch to get the holes centered. This is my heat gun. to heat shrink my connections, because I'm going to cut those things off. But it doesn't say anything that you'll need a wrench or anything to connect those to anything. Yeah, like I said, the instructions are crap. Very minimal, kind of garbage. For people that are the do-it-yourselfers and never done it before, those instructions are absolute crap. Anyway, main reason why I'm making this video is because hopefully I can help somebody out on their own do-it-yourself project. Instructions don't say anything about taking this off. This weather stripping that goes right here, and if you're trying to do anything, that's got to get out of the way. Then I'll mark my holes and drill my holes, and then measure it and make sure that the other side's exactly the same. That way my light bar isn't crooked. Put this soft rubber backing on here so that it doesn't ruin my $1 million paint job. I mean, there's no rust, there's no paint cracks. Paint's immaculate on this Jeep. Alright, I test fit it. All my rivets fit in there. And I think that's going to be perfect because the light bar will sit about right here. And not only will it give me light, but during the daylight, it'll give me shade from the sun coming down. That's where I'm wanting it. Now my measurement from the fender is probably not going to be 16.5. It is 15 3/8. Do that to the other side. The instructions say 16.5. I want it at 15 3/8. And I like that measurement better. Mark out your holes. Center part punch and mark your holes. These are the worst pop rivets.
Where'd you get them from?
They came with the frickin' mounting bracket.
Something just fell out of your machine though. Pin inside.
Oh, that's awesome. So it's been a while. It's still same day, but it's been a while. I went and cut my hair and had to go and get a new rivet gun. But I do have to say, I really like the way that looks. Thank you, Harbor Freight. No, not sponsored. It'd be nice, but no, not sponsored. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Got the light bar mounted. Gonna put the switch down there. I'm not gonna bore you with the wonderful wiring. I do have other lights that I'm going to install, but I'm going to install them later. But yeah, that's how I would install the awesome light bar. Freaking bright. I can see the neighbor's kitchen light up when I hit the lights. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope this helps somebody out. And as always, like, share, subscribe. Please share with your friends. Comment. I don't care if they're mean. I'm not afraid of somebody being mean to me. That's just one person's opinion. And I know what I think about myself, so. We appreciate you.